Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of regrowing vegetables from kitchen scraps. No seeds needed. Observe this humble onion, often discarded without a second thought. It possesses a remarkable ability, the power to regenerate itself, giving life to a whole new plant. This potential for renewal isn't limited to the onion. Oh no, it lies dormant within a surprising number of our kitchen staples, waiting to be awakened. Join me as we explore the ingenious methods of harnessing this natural cycle. The onion, with its pungent aroma and layered structure, holds the key to its own revival in its base, the root end. After slicing away the onion for your culinary needs, observe this often discarded portion. Notice those wispy roots clinging to life? They hold the secret. Here's how we coax new life from them. Find a vessel, a simple glass or jar will suffice, and fill it with water. Place the onion base, root side down, ensuring the water just grazes the bottom of the onion. And now, we wait. Patience is key in the natural world. Over the coming days, keep a watchful eye on your onion. You'll witness the miracle of nature unfolding before your very eyes. Tiny green shoots, vibrant and full of life, will emerge from the center of the onion base. Once these shoots reach a height of a few inches, your onion is ready for the next stage of its journey. Transplantation into soil. Choose a sunny spot in your garden, or a well-lit container, fill it with rich, well-draining soil, and plant your onion, ensuring the shoots remain above the soil line. Water regularly, and watch with satisfaction as your onion thrives, its green shoots reaching for the sky, eventually producing a new bulb, ready to be harvested and enjoyed. Remember, this humble onion is a testament to nature's resilience and our ability to work in harmony with it. Next, we turn our attention to another kitchen staple, the humble lettuce. Often relegated to salads and sandwiches, lettuce possesses a remarkable ability to regenerate from its base. After enjoying the leafy goodness of your lettuce, don't discard the base. This unassuming part holds the potential for new life. Choose a shallow dish or container and fill it with a small amount of water, just enough to cover the base of the lettuce. Place the lettuce base, cut side down, into the water. Now we wait, allowing nature to take its course. Within days, you'll begin to notice new leaves sprouting from the center of the base, a sure sign of life renewed. As the new leaves grow larger and more robust, it's time to introduce your lettuce to soil. A pot filled with well-draining potting mix near a sunny window or a bright spot in your garden will provide the perfect environment. Gently nestle the lettuce base into the soil, ensuring the new leaves remain uncovered. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. With each passing day, you'll witness the transformation as your lettuce grows into a lush, vibrant plant, providing you with a fresh supply of homegrown greens. Remember, even from the simplest of beginnings, new life can flourish. Chapter 3. The Potato's Hidden Treasure. Our final journey into the world of regrowing vegetables takes us to the potato, a staple food in many cultures. Unbeknownst to many, the potato harbors a secret, the eye, a small indentation on its surface that holds the key to its propagation. Examine a potato, and you'll notice these eyes scattered across its surface. These are actually buds, each capable of sprouting a new plant. To unlock this potential, we need to divide and conquer. Carefully cut the potato into pieces, ensuring each piece contains at least one eye. Allow these pieces to sit at room temperature for a day or two, allowing the cut surfaces to dry and heal, preventing rot when planted. Now choose a sunny location in your garden or a large container filled with loose, well-draining soil. Plant your potato pieces, eye side up, burying them several inches deep. Over the following weeks, keep the soil consistently moist. Soon, you'll witness green shoots emerging from the soil, a testament to the potato's remarkable ability to regenerate. As the plants grow taller and stronger, they'll produce an abundance of new potatoes beneath the soil. Harvest these new potatoes when the plants begin to flower, enjoying the fruits of your labor and the satisfaction of knowing you've harnessed the potato's hidden treasure. And there you have it. Turning kitchen scraps into a sustainable source of fresh produce is easier than you think. From the onion's root end to the lettuce's base and the potato's eye, each discarded part holds the potential for new life, a testament to nature's remarkable ability to regenerate. By embracing these simple techniques, you not only reduce food waste but also cultivate a deeper connection with the natural world, understanding the cycles of growth and renewal that sustain us. So, embark on this rewarding journey of regrowing your own vegetables, and discover the joy of harvesting fresh, flavorful produce from the comfort of your own home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more eco-friendly tips and tricks.